Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. Today we're going to be looking at header tags. Now in HTML we have 6 header tags. They are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Now in HTML, H1 is the largest of all of them, while H6 is the smallest. So now we're just going to write out all these tags, H5 and H6. Now put some text into those tags. So now H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Now go into your browser, open up this file in your browser and refresh it. So now you can see this is a H1 tag, this is a H2 tag, a H3 tag, a H4, H5 and H6. Now in HTML, when creating a web page, the H1 tag is mainly used for the main header. So whatever that page is about, this is what you most likely use the H1 tag to write. So if you have an about us page, you can just use the H1 tag to write text as about us, being the main header of that page. Then the H2 tag is used for subheadings. So in your HTML web page, you may have under your about us web page, you have things like who we are, what we do, mission statement, vision statement. So you can use your H1 tag for each of those subheadings. Then the H3 tag is now mostly used for headings inside those subsections. So where you've had who we are, what we do, the H3 tag can now be used inside those subsections, and so on and so forth for H4, H5 and H6. Now in HTML, you'll most likely only use the H1, H2, H3 and least likely H4 tag. So out of the 6, these 4 are the most widely used. So that's it for header tags in HTML. In the next video, we are going to be looking at paragraph tags and how we can use them to write text on our web page. See you in that video.